What is MagicCon? It's meeting the people that you've watched for years. It's a place where strangers quickly become friends. It's the decks we built, the cards we chased, and the moments we worked so hard for finally coming to life. It's a place where we get to share in the excitement, a place of fun, a place filled with art, and somewhere where you get to try something new. It's somewhere you get to meet your heroes. So what is MagicCon? That's easy. It's the gathering.